Hello guys, if you are getting blue screen error like this, your PC did not start correctly, press restart to restart your PC, which can something fix the problem. You can also have advanced option to try another to repair your PC. Advanced option, take that, go to troubleshoot, reset this PC, keep my files, local reinstall, getting this things ready. Change setting back to their defaults, keep personal files, reinstall Windows from this device, remove all apps and programs that didn't came with this PC. Press reset. Resetting this PC. This thing will take some times to reset your PC.